Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this session, as we promised, we are going to uh, teach you a new lesson, which is minor and major concept, which is one of the most important uh, subject in the whole RTM. And let's get into it. So for the first example, I'm gonna find king and then I'm gonna show you what it means. For example, here, as you can see, I found a king, which is important. But why? As you can see, inside the king, it held the price, it came out of the box, and it came down, and it consumed the zone, and it made a new high for us. So it's important. And in return, we need to make a king or take a king instead. But here, as you can see, right here in the break zone, we have a pause, a subtle pause. And after this pause, we have a bigger one, a bigger pause, and then our new low, which is here. So what you need to do here exactly, you need to take the smaller one, the smaller pause, which was here, and then the bigger one, which is here. That's the whole concept. Here we call it the minor, and the bigger one, which is here, let me revise it for you. Here we call it major. And what is the usage of minor and major in the RTM? We use this concept for finding MPL in our king, in our last king or final king. So first, we need to recognize the minor and major. Then, with the help of the minor and major, we find our MPL, the final king. So let me show you another example. For example, here we have a king, show the price, and we have a new high right here. And in return, we have our minor here, and the bigger one, which is our major. So I'm gonna take the major. And by the way, the whole process, the minor major, we call them a trick in the market. In the following session, I'm gonna explain what it means and why we call this concept a trick. And of course, we're gonna use this concept a lot. So let's find another example. I had to pause the video to find the right example. So for example, here we have another one. This one is important also because it has the price it made in high. You see, it's higher than the previous high. And in return, as you can see, we have this minor. Let's go to the lower time frame. Here, this one is our minor, and the bigger one is our major. So let's find another example, which is our final and the last example for decision. And in the next session, we are going to explain another concept, which is very important. It's almost one of the last concepts that we're gonna teach you. After that, we're gonna start to read the chart together and find a good example and good entries for taking trades. So I'm gonna pause the video and find another example. So this one is our last example. Here I have a king and it held the price, and in return we have its minor and the major. So I think that would be all for this session, and I will see you next week.